Hey everyone, welcome back to the channel. Today we are reviewing the STUDTREX TrailV2 Plus Hitch 2 Ebike Rack. I looked through the internet, checked real user experiences, expert breakdowns, and product specs to help you decide if this is actually worth buying or not. Don't forget to hit the link below for the best price. Right from the start, this rack is built for serious use. It supports up to 170 pounds total, which is about 85 pounds per bike. And that's a big deal because most standard bike racks struggle with heavy e-bikes. From what I've seen online, this makes it a strong option for fat tire bikes, mountain e-bikes, and long wheelbase setups without worrying about weight limits. Now the biggest highlight here is the integrated loading ramp. It's a 46-inch ramp, which is longer than older versions, and it makes loading your bike much easier because you can roll it up instead of lifting it. And honestly, this is a game changer for e-bikes because lifting a 60 to 80 pounds bike onto a rack is not easy. From real-world feedback, this feature alone is one of the main reasons people go for this rack. Another strong point is compatibility. It fits 2-inch hitch receivers and works with a wide range of vehicles like cars, SUVs, trucks, and even some RV setups. It also supports tires up to 5 inches wide and wheelbases up to around 50 inches. So it's built to handle fat tire bikes and larger frames without issues. Now let's talk about stability and security, because this is where it really stands out. It uses a 3-point mounting system with wheel cradles, straps, and clamps to keep the bike locked in place. On top of that, you get built-in anti-theft features like a hitch lock and wheel locks, which adds peace of mind when you leave your bikes unattended. Convenience features are also well thought out. It has a tilt function so you can access your trunk without removing the bikes, and a foldable design so it doesn't stick out when not in use. These are small things, but they make a big difference in everyday usability. Now, after going through real user feedback online, the overall impression is pretty positive. People love how strong and stable it feels, and especially how much easier it makes transporting heavy e-bikes. But there are a few things you should keep in mind. The rack itself is quite heavy, around 50 plus lbs, so installation can take some effort. Also, while the ramp helps, controlling a heavy bike on an incline still requires some care and balance. So here's the main question, should you buy it? Based on everything I've seen across the internet, if you own heavy e-bikes and want a durable, secure, and easy-to-load rack, then yes, the STUDTREX TrailV2 Plus is definitely worth considering. But if you have lightweight bikes or you don't mind lifting them manually, then this might be more than what you actually need. Overall, this rack is built for practicality and strength, and for e-bike owners especially, it solves one of the biggest problems, getting your bike onto the rack safely and easily.